Welcome back, folks. It's Jab Animal back again. Guys, what is the difference between this image and this image? One has been composited and one has not. Compositing is going to take your art from good to beautiful, and Blender has a tab dedicated just for this. So let's get to Blender right now. Blender has two different engines. I mainly use Eevee, but you can also use Cycles. These engines both have pros and cons. Working with Cycles is a little bit more complex, so let's get to that one first. First, let's go to Render Settings, go to Cycles, go to View Layer Settings, and enable normal and denoising data. Compositing is like doing a Photoshop, so we need an original image. So let's go up to Render and render an image. Now we can go to the Compositing tab and activate Use Nodes. You can set up your compositor just like I have it here. If our image in the back is too small or too large, we can adjust it with V and Alt V. I have lens distortion, glare, and color balance turned off. You can toggle those on and off with M. And these are all basic tools that you guys can experiment with in the future. The difference between setting up Cycles and setting up Eevee is Eevee is going to ignore this denoising node, so you can actually go ahead and turn that one off as well. Now for my image that I showed you guys in the beginning, I didn't use Blender at all. I used another free software called DaVinci Resolve, which I suggest that you guys migrate to eventually. If you like a video on that, let me know. If not, you can catch me on YouTube, Instagram, or Twitter. See you there.